How to fix Facebook blurry video quality. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Here in the source bar, search for Facebook. And then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then head over to Cellular Data Use right here. In this page, you have to make sure that the settings of video quality is set to optimized. Once you have set it to optimized, now whenever you upload any of the video or photo, the quality of the video or the photo will be as same as into your gallery. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.